Welcome on board! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to answer some questions which I posted on my Instagram account regarding cabin crew. There were some questions, so I'm going to answer all those questions. Let's go ahead. Whatever I'm going to say today is from my personal knowledge and understanding. If I make any mistake, please let me know. Please do not hesitate to comment so that I will correct myself. All right. The first question was, what is the minimum and maximum height for a cabin crew? For domestic, according to my knowledge, it's 155 centimeter is the minimum height for a female cabin crew, and for male cabin crew it is 170 centimeter. And the weight should be according to your height. Your BMI range should be from 18 to 22. Some are 18 to 24. So it depends on airline to airline. What is the minimum age to be a cabin crew? So for domestic airline, it is 18 years, and for international, it depends on airline to airline, starting from 20 to 22 years. Do they check scars in interview, during interview? Yes, they do check scars and tattoos on your body during interviews. If you have a tattoo or scar, it should not be visible when you wear the uniform. The question is, what do they check in medical examination? They do check a lot of things during medical examination, my dear. So first of all, during my medical examination, they do check my skin, and they check eyesight, they do check hearing, they check your ECG, they do take ultrasound, etc. There is a lot of things they check during medical examination. If you do clear the medical examination, that means you are fit to fly. I got a really interesting question, which is, how do you cope up with new crew whom you do not know? So I would say there are a lot of crew in the company, so we do not fly with the same crew every day. However, for each flight we do pre-flight briefing, where the senior crew conducts the pre-flight briefing. In the briefing, we introduce ourselves. In that introduction, we get to know about the crew a little bit. There is no rocket science about how to couple with the new crew. However, it is the profession itself. We get to meet new people. Likewise, whenever we get to fly with new crew, we have to be able to adapt with the same crew as we have to work as a team. We should be flexible. There was one general question about how to become a cabin crew. As I have said all those points, you must have understood. So the thing is, first of all, you be prepared for the interview. Go for the interview, clear the interview, clear the medical examination, clear your training, which will be for 3 to 6 months, and then you are ready to fly. Welcome on board. If you want to know more about cabin crew, please do let me know in the comment section. Bye.